Take the resistance band, attach it to something. Go ahead, grab it. Back up a little bit, hip, knee, ankle lined up. Keep your shoulders back and your chest up. Stick your butt out as far as you can and bend forward. There we go. You're going to extend your arms out to where they're slightly bent, palms facing one another. Okay? Then you pull in and bring it as far back as you can with squeezing that upper back and rolling the shoulders backwards so you get that squeeze in the upper back. Go ahead, extend your arms out. Bring your hands to the center of your abdomen. So you see here's the abdomen area, right in the center. Her hands aren't too low or too high. Beautiful. Chest up. Breathe in on the way out. Blow out on the way in. Keep your neck nice and straight and look straight. Don't waddle back and forth. Keep nice and strong. Make sure when you're doing the set, throughout the set, your back isn't arching like this. Really stick your butt out and keep it nice and solid. That's one of the things that's going to shape everything up back here.